How to close or delete account on Fandango? Here's how. Firstly, open any browser on your device and go to official Fandango website. Next, scroll to the bottom of the home page and click on the help option. Then within the help center, scroll down again and click on contact support. This is where you can request deletion to your account. First, enter your name and enter your email address and phone number so the support team can identify your account. Now in the subject box, write delete my account to state your request. Next, select Fandango under the brand option. Furthermore, in the message box, explain briefly that you want your account permanently deleted. After that, click on the submit button to send your request to their support team. Finally, once the Fandango customer support review your request, your account will be permanently deleted. And that's it. I hope this video helped.